Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In this video, we start part 6 of Morphology of Flowering Plants, all about the flower. We'll learn its structure, types, symmetry, floral formula, floral diagram, and important modifications. This is a key exam topic since flowers are the sites of reproduction, and many questions come from it. So, without further ado, let's get started. Look at this slide to see the syllabus and PYQ topics with years. It will help you know what to expect for exams. Let's talk about the parts of typical flower. A typical flower has several parts. The pedicel is the stalk that holds the flower. The thalamus, receptacle, is the swollen tip that bears all floral parts. The calyx, made of sepals, protects the bud. The corolla, made of petals, attracts pollinators. The androecium is the male part with stamens, and the gynoecium is the female part with carpels. These parts work together for reproduction. Now, let's talk about types of flowers. Flowers are classified by their whorls and reproductive organs. A complete flower has all four whorls: calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. An incomplete flower is missing one or more whorls. A perfect, bisexual, flower has both male and female parts, while an imperfect, unisexual, flower has only one. For example, hibiscus is complete and perfect, while cucumber has separate male and female flowers, so it is incomplete and imperfect. Remember, complete is not equal to perfect and incomplete is not equal to imperfect. This is important for exams. Let's talk about symmetry in flowers. Flower symmetry shows how a flower can be divided into equal halves. Actinomorphic, regular, flowers can be divided into two equal halves through any vertical plane. Examples: hibiscus, mustard. Zygomorphic, irregular, flowers can be divided into two equal halves only through one vertical plane. Examples: pea, gulmohar. For NEET, remember, actinomorphic equals radial symmetry, zygomorphic equals bilateral symmetry. Now, let's talk about floral formula and diagram. Floral formula shows a flower's structure using symbols: K equals calyx, C equals corolla, A equals androecium, G equals gynoecium. Brackets show if parts are fused or free. Superscripts/subscripts on G show ovary position. Example: hibiscus K5C5A infinity G5, superior ovary. Floral diagram is a drawing showing the arrangement of flower parts on the thalamus. For exams, learn at least one floral formula and diagram for each type of flower, as questions often come from this. Let's talk about modifications in flowers. Some flowers have modified parts for protection, pollination, or reproduction. Bracts are modified leaves, like in bougainvillea. Spines protect the plant, as in cactus. Sepals may look like petals, called petaloid sepals, seen in tulip. Petals can be modified to attract pollinators. Stamens may also be modified, like forming pollinia in calotropis. For exams, remember the function and examples of each modification, as questions often ask from there directly. Let's quickly summarize what we learned about flowers. A typical flower has pedicel, thalamus, calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. Flowers can be complete or incomplete, and perfect or imperfect. Actinomorphic flowers have radial symmetry, while zygomorphic flowers have bilateral symmetry. Learn at least one floral formula and diagram, like hibiscus or guava. Flower modifications are important too: bracts in bougainvillea, petaloid sepals in tulip, and pollinia in calotropis. Remember the keywords, examples, and their functions, as they are often asked. Let's practice few questions to test your knowledge. Let's start with question 1. Which flower shows actinomorphic symmetry? Option A. P. Option B. Gulmohar. Option C. Hibiscus. Option D. Cucumber. Explanation. Hibiscus has radial symmetry, so it can be divided into equal halves through any vertical plane. Pea and gulmohar are zygomorphic, with bilateral symmetry, so they divide only in one plane. Cucumber is unisexual and not fully radial, so it is not correct. So, option C is the correct answer, that is hibiscus. Now, let's move to question 2. A flower has all 4 whorls present in both androecium and gynoecium. What type of flower is it? Option A. Complete and perfect. Option B. Complete and imperfect. Option C. Incomplete and perfect. Option D. Incomplete and imperfect. Explanation. Complete and perfect is correct because all 4 whorls are present and both male and female organs exist. Complete and imperfect is wrong as one reproductive part is missing. Incomplete and perfect is wrong because one or more whorls are absent. Incomplete and imperfect is also wrong since whorls are missing and only one reproductive organ is present. So, option A is the correct answer, that is complete and perfect. That's all for today's lecture on the flower. Revise parts, types, symmetry, floral formula, and modifications. Keep practicing our daily NEET MCQs and PYQ series to strengthen your concepts. In the next lecture, we'll cover seeds, their structure, types, and monocot versus dicot differences along with practice questions. Also, check out our daily biology podcast. The playlist is linked in the description and in the cards above. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lecture.